peace has filled my heart. Even in struggle, even in pain, your hand is holding mine. Today, the bread on the table, the fridge filled up, proof of your care beyond compare. Every gesture of love and provision is the confirmation that you are there.
On my knees in prayer as the tears fall down, but your presence makes me rise again. In the simple, the